Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe this channel. This is part 1. So we are going to explain you SUMIF, SUMPRODUCT and SYD formula. So first formula, SUMIF. This function adds the value of item which match criteria set by user. I am explaining again. This function adds the value of item which match criteria set by user. Formula details, very simple, very useful formula. You just need to mention SUMIF, then range of things to be examined, then create criteria to be matched, then in the last range of value to total, and then bracket close, enter. You'll get your SUMIF result. No special formatting is required. This is very basic and very useful formula. Complete video details also available in description box, so you just need to copy and paste for your future reference, or if you want to create your own Excel database. But for that you have to subscribe this channel. And one more thing, we have a separate videos in which we explain every single Excel formula through multiple and different kind of examples. SUMPRODUCT. This function uses at least 2 columns of value. The values in the first column are multiplied with the correspondence value in the second column. The total of all values is the result of the calculation. I'm repeating again, this function uses at least 2 columns of values. The values in the first column are multiplied with the corresponding value in the second column. The total of all values in the result of the calculation. It's like multiplication, nothing else. Formula details, SUMPRODUCT, range 1 till range 30, and then enter, and you'll get your multiplication digit. Formatting required or not, no special formatting is needed, guys. This formula works in every single version of your Excel. So I would really appreciate, just mention 2 digit in 2 different columns, use SUMPRODUCT, select your range, enter, and then check the result you'll get after performing this formula. I would really appreciate to perform every single formula from your side as well. SYD, this is very unique, and I'm pretty much sure nobody is going to tell you this kind of formula in whole YouTube. This function calculates the depreciation of an item throughout its life using the sum of the years digit. The depreciation is greatest in the earlier part of the item's life. I am repeating again, I'm pretty much sure nobody is going to tell you this kind of formula. This function calculates the depreciation of an item throughout its life using the sum of the years digit. The depreciation is greatest in the earlier part of the item's life. SYD, original cost, salvage value, life, period. To calculate, bracket close, enter, and then you'll get your details. And one more thing, no special formatting is needed. If you want to check the standard deviation for any item throughout its life, then use SYD formula, and we have a separate video in which we already explain SYD formula with multiple and different by using different examples. So please check those videos as well, but for that you have to subscribe our channel. Practice to make a man perfect. So really appreciate if you go ahead and at least perform this formula, all this formula 1 or 2 times from your side. Then it will be very easy for you to understand how this formula works, and then you'll be able to create your own compound formula. In part 1 we already explained second, sine, SLN and a small formula. In part 2 we already explained standard deviation P, substitute and sum formula. So again, thank you so much guys for liking our channel, for sharing our videos, for your comments. It's like really motivational for us. Please make sure to share your comments in description box as well as in comments box, and then we'll try to revert within 24 hours. Thank you so much for all your support. Have a great day, have a great future, and take care of yourself.